Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share my shoes collection. Now, I'm not a crazy person for shoes or a hoarder of shoes, but yeah, I like to wear new shoes every time. So, I do have a small shoes collection of mine that I'm going to show you today. Now, without wasting much time, let's just get right into the video. So I'll be starting with the flats first because I have a lot of them, and then I'll move on to shoes, boots and sneakers, and then we'll go to only 2 pairs of heels that I own. Yeah. So yeah, let's begin with the flats. First one is the sliders, and it's this one. They're from Skechers. Oh my god, you won't believe this is the comfortable sliders I've ever worn, and I love it so much. These are the go-to sliders for me, my mom. We love this one, and it is so comfortable, so relaxing on your feet. You will feel like you're not wearing anything. It's that much comfortable. It's from the Bob's collection. Also guys, I will try to find out links of all the shoes that I own. Most of them I've ordered from Amazon only, the Skechers and everything. So I'll try to find out the links and link them below. My next pair of flats are this. It's really nice brown, again basic brown color. I love to collect browns, blacks and whites because like they are the basic colors and they go with every outfits. Again, these are the brown juttis kind of. It has a cutwork detailing on the front. These are from a local handicraft exhibition, and it was for like 250 or something. This one is a new addition to my collection. Like I got this just before some time of the lockdown, maybe in Jan-Feb, but I have not got any opportunity to wear this one outside. Let's talk about traditional juttis. So these are the ones. Oh my god, I love this one, and look, it's matching with my top as well. I love this pair of juttis. I just got it yesterday, and I got this one from Flipkart. It's amazing. They have a mirror kind of work going on here. It's just an embroidery which looks like mirror work, and they have a stitch lines in golden and pink throughout the whole flap till here. But these are not the comfortable out there. If you are planning to shop this kind of juttis from any websites like Amazon, Flipkart or anything, please go for 2 to 3 size higher. I'm already up 1 size for this one, but still it's a little bit small for me, but I can manage it. These 10 chappals, they have a nice studded pattern on the flap, and it looks really nice whenever you wear traditional. These are my go-to chappals for traditional. Actually, these were my go-to chappals for traditional. This is the color that goes with each and every color and all of your traditional outfits. Like having a 10 chappal, like a beige, brown 10 flats for your traditional wear is amazing. You can just throw on these flats on any outfits, traditional, or you can also wear this on jeans. I've worn them on jeans as well. Those were in golden and this is in silver. So I think that one should own at least 1 pair of golden and 1 pair of silver flats to go with any of your traditional outfits. Like if you have a traditional outfit with golden detailing, you can throw on that golden pair. And if you're wearing something with silver detailing, so you can throw on any silver pair of flats. So these are my silver pair of flats. And I love this as well because it's very simple, basic flats. It has nothing fancy on it like the earlier one which has studs on that. So this is basic silver strappy flats. It's way more comfortable than that one. This is from Zudio. Most probably the oldest pair of flats that I have are these jutis. They are from Bata. They are also so much comfortable. These are the pairs that I've kept only for the comfortability that I get wearing this Mojris. Look at this. They also have a embroidery kind of thing going over, and they also have this two stripes. Again, it's in black color. Now let's move on to shoes, sneakers and boots. The first pair of shoes that I have are these pair of shoes. It's so freaking pretty. They are party wear shoes and I don't know where I'll wear these shoes. These are the black party wear shoes and they are from Hot and Spicy and I love them. They're a bit heavy one, like they are a heavy pair of shoes, but it's okay if you're wearing it in parties. You'll be wearing it for 2 to 4 hours only. So yeah, the shine on the shoes. Also look, these tie-ups are also very much blingy and glittery, and that was the most exciting part for me. The next pair of sneakers I have are these. Look how cute are these looking. Oh my god, I love them. I love them. It's so cute. See, also this is only for like show. You don't have to tie these things. It's very easy, very convenient. I really like shoes which doesn't need to tie it up. And look at this. Oh my god, it has this cat print all over the shoes. These are also from Skechers Bob's collection, and these are the one as well that I've got recently and I love it. These are also so comfortable, so comfortable. I love Skechers as a brand because their shoes and their sliders and everything are so comfortable. As I mentioned, I love Skechers as a brand, and these are the running shoes from Skechers. This also just have a show of these tie-ups. We don't need to tie them up, and they are black. They are blue in color. These are the shoes that you can wear in your gyms, your Zumbas and your workout sessions. This is basically for that only, and this comes with memory foam. I guess the earlier one also comes with memory foam. Yeah, this also comes with memory foam, and that is the only reason that they are so comfortable. And this also comes with memory foam. Yeah, I got this pair of shoes 2 years back and I still wear it, and they are still as it is. Now let's move on to heels, and they're literally a kitten heels like this. Only this much of heel. Yeah, these are from Shades. I don't know that Shades are available outside Baroda or not, but these are from Shades and it is purple in color. And I'm pretty sure that I might have bought these heels because it might be matching some of the outfit at that time, which I don't have anymore. Which outfit I don't have anymore. So yeah, I'm not wearing this as much right now. And look at this pattern. Okay, and the second and the last pair of heels I have are these in silver color. They are nice ankle strap heels, and the heel is also a bit larger than the earlier one, and they're nice pair of heels. I really like this one. I'm planning on getting one golden heels as well, but let's see if some functions comes. And let's move on to the last pair of shoes I have, and they are boots. Oh my god, they are ankle length boots and I love them, love them. Look how chic they are looking, how chic and classy vibes they give. I love this one. These are from Lee Cooper and they have this detailing, and they have this zipper detailing going all over from one side to another. And here is the zipper. In the front also they have this stitch line, as I hope the camera is picking up. See, and I love this one. It is also very comfortable on your feet. Like, you will not feel that you are wearing some heeled boots. They are very comfortable. They are very comfortable, and if you're planning on getting any boots, I would definitely recommend this one. I got this one from Lee Cooper. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching my small shoe collection. And if you did, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.